Alrighty, this will probably be released alongside the previous video, but I want to also set it up so when I press I to view the normal inventory, I don't want to see the shop. Instead, I only want to see the shop when I click on the shop. So we're going to set that up real quick. So if we go back to our shop inventory there, go to the designer tab and select the shop inventory. By default, we want this one to be hidden. So let's search for the visibility. Let's set it to hidden. File save. Press I. Make sure it doesn't show up, which it doesn't, so that's good. And what I want it to do is when we go to our UI, we call the inventory function. I want to pass in a boolean. So this boolean is going to be called show shop. So let's perform a branch here. Or better yet, we'll do the branch afterwards. So we do all that fun stuff. Then we call clear shop. And we have the inventory itself. So we want to make a function that simply makes the shop visible. So let's go to our shop inventory widget, go to graph, let's create a new function. Let's call it show shop or set shop visibility. Spelled that wrong, I think. No, I see more. Yeah, I don't care. So we're gonna again take in a boolean. Let's call it show from a branch. Not what I meant to do. From a branch. And if it's true, we will unhide the shop inventory. Let's get it. Set visibility. We're just going to set it to visible. And otherwise, we set it back to hidden, like so. And let's just plug it both back in. And that'll take care of that. So now we can go through and call it. So based upon this value, let's go ahead and perform a branch. We can clean this up a bit, like so. Search for or set show visibility. Or really, we actually don't need this branch. I'm being dumb. Let's just plug it right in, and we're good to go. I forgot I'm already doing that inside of there. So that will take care of our shop, hopefully. So we press I, it's not visible. I press E, it's still not visible because we need to pass it in. So if we head over to our character, we have this boolean here now called show shop on this open shop event. Obviously, that means we want it to show the shop. So let's check it to make sure it's true. Try it again. We press I, does not show up. I press E, and it shows up. Close it down. I press I, and it doesn't show up. So everything's good to go there, and we're done. So now that we have the basic kind of small, I guess, crap out of the way, we can go on what I mentioned, I think it was 2 videos ago, where we try to actually override the use function and transfer the items to our inventory based upon whether or not they're in the shop. So that's what we're going to deal with. So I will see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon down in the description below, where I have a Team Deathmatch series just for Patrons, as well as you get early access to all of my videos. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to join my Discord that's also linked down below, and I'll try to help you out. So, I'll see you in the next video.